7 Effective Ways to Make Quality Time with Your Child. Spending quality time with your child is essential for building a strong and positive relationship. Maybe you're asking yourself, where am I going to find the time? My schedule's crazy enough as it is. Well, for something as important as your child, you need to start digging around in that crazy schedule and find the time. Prioritizing is the key. Here are 7 effective ways to make quality time with your child. Strategy 1. Plan ahead. Schedule time for family activities and stick to it. Let your child know that spending time together is a priority. Strategy 2. Be fully present. Put away your phone and other distractions and focus on your child. Give them your undivided attention. Strategy 3. Play with your child. Get down on the floor and play with your child. This can help to strengthen your bond and create positive memories. Strategy 4. Take your child on an outing. Go on a walk, visit a museum, or explore a new park. This can be a fun way to spend time together and create new experiences. Strategy 5. Cook together. Involve your child in meal preparation and cooking. This can be a fun way to spend time together and teach your child valuable life skills. Strategy 6. Read together. Set aside time each day to read with your child. This can help to develop their love for reading and create a special bonding experience. Strategy 7. Reflect on the time spent together. Take time to reflect on the quality time you spent together. This can help you appreciate the time spent together and look forward to future opportunities. By using these effective strategies, you can make quality time with your child and create a strong and positive relationship. Remember to plan ahead, be fully present, play together, take outings, cook together, read together, and reflect on the time spent together.